What's up, B.O.B. Squad? It's your boy Terry. We back with another video. Welcome back to the channel. I'm being real quiet because Carmen's in the other room, and I'm about to hit her with this prank. It's really not a prank. It's I guess a reaction video. If y'all ever been in the car with Carmen, y'all know she got crazy road rage. If you don't know, we about to find out. So I'm about to go put the sign on the back of the truck. We got some errands to run, and we gonna get a reaction. Get his video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notifications. I'm trying to listen. I ain't good at being sneaky, so let's get it. Let's get a reaction. So this is the honking prank. I'm gonna put a sign on the back of the car, telling people to honk at her. Hopefully people will, and we're gonna get a reaction. So let's go. I'm about to go put the sign on the car. So let's get it. Alright, y'all, got the sign on the truck.
They blowing at me?
I think that's the guy behind me.
Thank you. Have a good day. You too. In your After that second house we went to. Hey! You about to have to drive home.
know.
No, I don't know them. I don't know them.
She wait.
Be walking home, you gonna be driving. Hey!
You gotta calm down.
Look! I'm not taking no more of this horn. I'm laughing because it's funny, but they're making me mad. I'm getting pissed off.
Speed up then.
Speed up. The speed limit is 45. I'm doing 45. I'm trying to work on my road rage. Normally by now I would have flicked them off and yelled back.
Christian.
I'm trying to be. Sometimes they make you want to go left. Hey!
What?
Wait! What did I do?
What? What is going on?
I can't take it no more. I can't. I'm about to hit people's cars.
What you looking like that for?
Because I'm tired. I've been driving and people just blow a damn horn at me.
Hey, well, don't look at me crazy.
What they blowing at me for? I've been driving since I was 16.
Look.
No wonder they was. I told you. It was you.
We got it, y'all. We got it.
You got them blowing at me thinking I'm crazy. I'm not crazy.
Hey, in the comments, Team Terry, let's go. We got her.
Blowing the horn at me.
Team Terry.
Team Carmen. But taking it. And I want to spaz out and tell them all off.
She's crazy, y'all. Hey, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. In the comments, Team Terry, you're not a part of the BLB squad, hit that subscribe button. Let's go. We're coming with more pranks in the future. I get it.
That's not cool.
I get it.
Got me sweating, my back soaking wet. Take off because I can't respond. That's not cool. You got one coming.
Team Terry in the comments. Got her. We out.
Send him our strength, follow God and follow our saint. Learn his word and follow his mates. Father, me and wife be pulling our weight. Offer your grace, yeah, offer your grace.